Hi everyone, welcome to Big Oggie World. I am in Hale today and I'm just on the way home actually. I've been out for the late afternoon to early evening and taken an opportunity that's come along that we don't get very often. If you remember, you watched a video recently where I went to get a magic bag from Warren's, which is the local pasty kind of pastry shop near where we live in St Just in the town. It was fantastic. We really enjoyed the food that we got, and it was a fantastic deal. But we are a bit limited where we live because there's very few opportunities to kind of use the good to go system, good to go scheme. But I am out at the moment, as I've just driving through Hale. It's quite late, and I've managed to contact the Good to Go app, and it says that there are some goodie bags, some magic bags available at my local Starbucks. So this will be good. Never been to this one before, never even actually used this Starbucks before, so that'd be quite interesting. So we're going to find out what a magic bag from Starbucks is like. The one from Warren's was very good. In fact, we've done it twice now, one off camera. It was very nice. This one today has cost me £5. Should be £15 worth of food, so I believe. But because it's a Starbucks, you've got to get later. So this is currently just gone 7. I can get them from 7:30, I believe. So if you don't know the system, please go back and watch the other video, which is the Warren's magic bag. But basically there is an app that you can all join all across the country, pretty much all across the world, I believe. And the whole point is that various companies, various restaurants, cafes, some supermarkets, a lot of them are involved, and their surplus food at the end of the day, they give it away cheap, or they sell it cheap. And the whole point is you have to go onto this app. You have to book in your slot, which I did. I did a couple of hours ago whilst I was out. Knew I'd be passing at this time. And they've normally, some people got 4 or 5 bags. Some people maybe got a couple of bags from, say, a Kyrie or whatever. I think Greg's has been involved as well. Morrison's has been involved. Costa Coffee, we haven't found that one yet. But on the app, you'll see various different ones around your location or where you are. And just see what they've got at the end of the day. And I know you all enjoyed finding out about what happened to the last one, so we're going to give it a go. Let's go and take a look and see what we find. I'm going to take it home to Kelly so she can open it all when I get it. Right, I'm a little bit early. I've just popped over to have a look because I must admit, so I don't really know the Starbucks around here. It looked like they were all closing up. They're cleaning up all the tables and everything. Most of the things are all kind of shut down. But they said, no, you have to wait for the app to kick in. It says 7:30, it says collection in about 10 minutes. So I'm going to wait around for 10 minutes. It's fine. They do say their coffee machines stay open for another 20 minutes anyway. So I'll get a coffee on the way home. Even better. Hi, darling. I'm home.
I can see.
I know. You know I said I was going to go to Starbucks to get one of those magic bags?
Yeah.
Yeah. When I went there, it was a fantastic place. I must admit, I can't remember ever going there. You said I've been there once before. But
we went there once when it
nice
very
place.
first opened.
Okay. I love a bargain.
Yeah, I know you do. Go
on,
what have you done?
Well, the lady said that there were some spare ones and they're really good tonight. And she couldn't guarantee they'll always be really good, but today they were. And then I bought another one. So I bought another one. I bought 2.
Oh, God, John.
Well,
what have we got?
that way we get the best experience to know if they're the same. Because we never know if, we never actually worked out. Because you can actually buy more than one on the app. You can buy, well, however many they got.
Okay.
But if they're all the same, that'd be a bit boring, wouldn't it?
Well, yeah, there's only so many cheese sandwiches you can eat.
Exactly. Or so many chicken pasties, as we've noticed before.
Yeah, I'm sick of chicken pasties.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to sit down and we'll have a look.
Okay.
Yeah?
Go on then.
Look, 2 bags. 2
Oh,
bags.
they're quite big bags.
I know, and they're heavy. Well, she reckons that it's been quite a quiet day today, so they've got loads of stuff to get rid of.
Right, can you sit down because I'm having to go up and down to bags to face.
I have noticed that you're struggling with that camera because you're very short and I'm very tall.
Exactly, that's better.
Right, so...
got a basil plank.
Yeah, I don't know if there's a receipt in it. I think there is actually, there's a receipt. So, yes, they were £5 each. Oh, they've scrubbed out bits that they're not supposed to be.
Okay.
Oh, it tells you the instructions. It doesn't actually say what are in the bags
right.
this time. But it says, obviously, for paninis or whatever, how to cook them.
Right.
Fair enough.
Cool.
So, I paid £5 each for these bags.
Okay, how much did we pay for the ones from Warren's?
4, I think. Yeah, different places have different prices, don't they? Some are about
$4 or
$3.30.
$4.50?
4, I think we paid for Warren's.
Okay, so this is a pound more.
Yeah, Starbucks is more expensive place.
Absolutely.
Ideally, you get a third. You pay for a third of the amount. 15
Okay.
quid you're supposed to get, but I think we've done pretty well here.
Okay.
So rumour has it, yeah. Right, so should we start with bag A? I don't know, bag A or bag B. Right, so bag A, we will start with almond croissant, I reckon.
Yeah, that looks like an almond croissant.
Almond croissant to me. Put that there. This looks like a sandwich. This is a tuna sandwich.
Just
Tuna sandwich. Tasty pea protein alternative to tuna flakes.
Ah.
Okay, so this is a vegetarian option. Okay, red onion, vegan mayo, horseradish sauce, cucumber and rocket on malted bread. Yum yum. Always a bit of a risk. You don't know what you're going to get.
No.
Right, fair enough. But there are plenty of vegetarians out there, plenty of vegans.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So good news is
Send that sandwich tomorrow with Ben because his friends are vegan.
that's true. Good news is we also got a yogurt, a berry crunch yogurt. That actually looks really nice.
That's like a breakfast pot.
That's like a breakfast pot. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Date is the 26th. I don't know what day it is today.
26.
Eat it tomorrow, it'll be fine.
Yeah, 26. Be alright in the morning.
Eat it tomorrow, it'll be fine. Right, breakfast pot. What else we got in here? This is a tuna melt panini. Actually, a proper one.
A proper one.
Oh, I love. Actually, one of my favourites, tuna melt.
That's
so
cool.
I'm a happy man. Tuna melt panini. Tuna, mature cheddar, mozzarella, full fat, soft cheese with sweet corn and spring onions and a rustic ciabatta roll.
Sounds lovely.
Bargain. There's more.
And more.
I know. It's that she said, obviously, not always guaranteed it'll be this good. Chocolate chip cookie.
Gotta love a chocolate chip
What's
cookie.
not to love that chocolate chip cookie? And there's more. I know.
Wow.
It's a 5 cheese toasty.
Oh, George is
Starbucks,
happy.
absolutely. Our daughter loves everything to do with cheese. Topped sourdough filled with 5 cheeses and a bechamel sauce.
5 cheeses.
What it says. So that is a $5 worth, supposedly. Well,
You'd
I think
lucky
that's
if
more
you
than
got one
15.
of them sandwiches for much less than a flavour.
but okay. Bit hit and miss on that bit, but blimey. Toasty, panini, breakfast, snack,
breakfast.
pudding, breakfast, whatever. That's brilliant.
That's really good.
That's
What's
really
in the
good.
box?
Well,
Bag. Let's see if it's the same.
well, this is the point. This is bag A. So let's put bag A kind of in the front here. I'm not sure we're going to see that on the camera, but we'll put it here. Right. So that was bag A. This is bag B. Bag B starts with a tomato and mozzarella panini with a red pesto basil filling.
Okay.
Nothing wrong with that.
Another panini.
Vegetarian,
Different one.
but happy with that.
Yeah.
Not a problem with that.
Cheese and tomato.
A pot of classic oatmeal made with semi-skimmed milk and single cream with finished off with your choice of toppings. Not sure what topping is, but it's a porridge.
Porridge.
Great.
Cool.
No problem with that. I always worry about the sandwich now for that one. This is a free-range egg and mayo sandwich with Dijon mustard on a farmhouse salad.
Cool.
Nothing wrong with
Nothing
that.
wrong with that either.
Brilliant.
These are really good bags.
It is so fun. Right.
Another panini.
panini. It's another tuna melt. So obviously we have a lot of tuna issues today.
Okay.
But I'm happy, man, 'cause I like tuna melt. It's not a problem.
I don't mind a tuna melt.
No.
Lunch tomorrow sorted.
That's lunch tomorrow, sorry, for both of us. One more in this one.
Ooh.
I know. It's a mac and cheese.
Oh, George is a happy bunny.
I think we've got a very happy daughter right now, haven't we? So
5 cheese toasty sandwich and a
it's
mac
a
and
3
cheese.
cheese sauce with petit pois and kale topped with cheddar cheese. Don't tell her about the kale.
We should have to pick fruit. We should pick the peas out.
Yeah, exactly. Anything that's green, my daughter will pick out. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that was it, and they're on date. But to be honest, a date is a date. It's not a non-sell by date. It's a sell by date, not a use by date.
As long as we eat them tomorrow, they'll be fine.
Jobs are good. And so
I do like it when there's 2 bags and they're not the same.
well, this is the thing. We did have a bit of a problem with Warren's, didn't we?
I'm not buying Warren's anymore.
But like I said at the start of the video, we're a bit limited where we live because there's only the one place that does it here. But obviously I went to Camborne today, which is a bigger town really, and there's a lot more areas to cover. There was quite a few appeared on the app, but this is the one that I knew we'd be passing. We've wanted to do the Starbucks one for a while.
We have. The problem with the Starbucks one is that you have to get it at 7:30 in the evening, which is quite late.
Yeah, and to be honest, you're on the back of the camera right now because you're in your jammies.
Yeah, I am.
Because you go to bed early, really,
yeah.
with your health conditions. So, but hey, come on. So, I think it's a hard job to pick which is the best bag, really. I'd have to say this is the best bag because it's got fake tuna sandwiches.
Yeah, but I'm going to send that in with Ben tomorrow.
Well, exactly. It's keep your kids happy.
Toby might like it.
Yeah. Exactly, you've got a friend who's vegan, so give them that. And there's no reason why you shouldn't have vegetarian options in it. You never know what you're going to get. But this, cracking, absolutely brilliant. Well done. Well done to Starbucks. Well done to Good to Go.
Absolutely.
Yeah, well worth it. So I've seen some really big bags before done when they've done it, like at Greg's or various places. This is very much on that kind of par. Like I said, I think we're very lucky tonight. But
well, let's be fair. There is well over
15 quid in both of these bags.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, bargain. Happy days. Okay, everybody, we're going to go. I'm going to have a bit of this now, probably for tea.
Yeah.
Kelly's going to go back to bed. Sorry I got you up, love.
It's all right.
Please subscribe, please, an application bar, do all those things. Come and join Big Oggie World. And if you like golf and me getting the ball around vaguely, come and join Big Oggie Golf as well. But we'll do lots more of these random kind of food tests and reviews, and obviously recipes, etc. and cocktails.
Thumbs up for a magic bag. That's what I
thumbs
say.
up for a magic bag. Yet again, it's been a success. Well done.
Fantastic. Night, everyone.